we go. Bib number 150, Patrick Bigley, dropping now. He's on course. He's going to head over to the Cloud 9 trees over there. He's a member of the Northwest Freeride team at Crystal Mountain. He'd like to thank his sponsors, Marvin Outerwear. Is it Leaky Poles? Leaky Poles, thank you. All right, he's made it through the trees up there around the Lollipop. Making his way down the course. No time at all. Not wasting any. His other interests include the Brunts and Bears. Here we go. We're going to find a line over here. There's a drop in here right there. Stuck it clean. Only seen that once or twice earlier today. Patrick Bigley getting a drop out of the deal over there. Bottom of the Cloud 9 trees. Gonna do a little tree bash in there. Make his way to the bottom of the course. Probably gonna play in knob country down here a little bit, picking up some speed. Finishing out down here with a 360. There it is. You can see that coming. Best competition highlights for Patrick include first overall Crystal Mountain Triple Crown 2014, 10th third JFT snowboard 2014, and third is JFT Crystal 15 to 10 years old.